Have you, uh, have you ever asked yourself what you are going to do when you grow up? Yes, of course. And today I will tell you about my professional dream of becoming a race car pilot. Let me start by, by telling why car pilot is great. First, First, I love speed. Second, I would like I would like to know new people. And 30, since I was a child, I like to drive. Now I will show you why I will be great in this profession. First, I have ability with cars. Second, I love to drive cars fast. And third, I'm friendly, and this is important to have a good relationship with my team. Early, I have what it takes to be a race car pilot. Finally, I will show you what I have planned in the next few years for be a good car pilot. I will practice, then I will study cars, and once I've accomplished that, I will learn more about techniques. I'm sure you all agree that my plans are good. That brings me to the end. I've shared with you my professional dream of becoming a race car pilot.